Hi lovely friends, welcome back to M&M Tours channel. You're hearing us from Chehel Sotoon Palace right here in Isfahan. Chehel Sotoon Palace is truly a masterpiece of Persian architecture, and we've carefully chosen a time when the palace is almost empty, so you can fully appreciate its serene beauty without the usual crowds. Join us as we explore the majestic throne hall, the mesmerizing mirror hall, and the intricate details of its 4 elegant porches. We'll also take a closer look at the 6 extraordinary mural paintings that grace the walls, each telling a unique story from Persian history. So sit back, relax, and let's step into the splendor of Chehel Sotoon Palace together. Episode of Chehel Sotoon Palace, we took you on a journey through the stunning exterior of this wonderful palace in Isfahan. If you haven't watched the first one, the link is up there. For your continued support, and as always, we look forward to reading your thoughts in the comments below. Till next time.